Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can download the watermelon game Monkeyland application on your iPhone. So let's dive ahead into the video without wasting much of our time. Let's go ahead and open up the App Store first. Go to the search box and type in watermelon game and search. Look for this application that says Watermelon Game Monkeyland and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Now, wait for the application to download and install. Watermelon Game Monkeyland offers a delightful blend of exploration, puzzle solving, and platforming. Players can navigate through a variety of levels, each with its own unique challenges and rewards. As you process through the game, you will encounter new obstacles, unlock new monkeys, and uncover the secrets of Watermelon Game Monkeyland. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your mobile device. Once it's done, you will be able to open the app anytime you want and enjoy the game. So that's how easy it is to download the Watermelon game on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.